Namaste students, myself JV and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class. I am at third semester. We will discuss the topic Criterion Reference Test. Criterion Reference Test. Definition of Criterion Reference Test: a test which is designed to enable the test user to interpret a test score with reference to a criterion level of ability which has been agreed upon a domain to domain of contents. The student must reach to this level of performance to pass the test. Okay, and the purpose of criterion reference test is to classify people according to whether or not they are able to perform same task or a set of tasks satisfactorily. Criterion reference tests are usually produced to measure well defined and fairly specific objectives. The purpose of criterion reference test is to measure the amount of learning that a student has accomplished on each objectives. Okay, characteristically criterion reference tests are devised before the instruction is designed. The test must match teaching objectives perfectly so that any tendency of the teacher to teach to the test would be permissible in that attaining objectives would thereby be assured. A criterion or cutoff score is set in the advance, and those who do not meet the criterion are required to repeat the course. In criterion reference testing, the goal is usually to make a decision about whether or not an examinee can demonstrate mastery in an area of contents and competencies. Oftentimes, the area of contents and competencies being assessed is job related. Most certification and licensure exam are criterion reference tests. Okay, criterion reference is based on level of ability or domain of contents constituting the criterion and not be setting of cutoff score for making decisions. Strength of criterion reference tests. The process of development of criterion references test is helpful in clarifying objectives. The tests are useful when objectives are under constant revisions, and the tests are useful with small and for unique groups for whom norms are not available. And next points, test security is considered less of a problem since students know in advance the precise contents domains for which they are held responsible on the test. For the same reasons, students test anxiety is believed to be reduced with this type of test. Weakness of criterion reference tests. The objectives measured are often too limited and restrictive, and second, test scores are not referenced to a norm, so students typically are unable to complete their performance with that of other students in the population of interest. And next weakness, bright students who easily attain the criterion level of mastery may not be encouraged to reach higher standard of excellence. The very stabilizing of the criterion or cutoff score is in practice usually highly arbitrary. Okay. Steps in constructions of criterion reference tests: preliminary considerations, second, review of contents, domains, behaviors of interest. Next, items are task writings and preparations of any scoring rubrics that are needed, and assessment of contents, validity and revision of test items are tasks. And next, field test administrations. Steps in constructing criterion reference tests: revisions to test items are task and test assembly, selections of performance standards and pilot test administrations, preparation of manuals and additional technical data collections. Okay. Next, characters are criterion reference test. Characters of criterion reference test: firstly, use of criterion reference test, limitations of criterion reference test, and administrations test layout, reliability, cutoff scores and validity. Okay. Thank you.